So in this video, I am going to talk about the data engine, a really cool system. And this is another how video, so let's jump into it now. So the data engine is a very important and fundamental piece of the AI compiler. And the idea of the data engine actually was inspired by Tesla. So I can't take credit with the idea for the data engine, but we did integrate it into the AI compiler, and we made quite a few improvements into that. So let's dive into the data engine. So the data engine starts with the AI and human data labeling that we've been talking about in the previous videos. So this is all the things related to the AI compiler, data programming, QA, etc., etc. And so during this step, we label the data with guaranteed high quality, low cost, quick speed, and at scale, all the things we talked about previously. We also talked about the QA module that it QA'd the data in 4 different ways. It looked at the task level, if that's high quality, at the labelers, at the instructions, and at the data level. And so what happens is if any of those QA modules creates a flag, then we also generate a unit test so that we know in the future that we got it right or not. So we want to create these unit tests so on the data that the AI compiler didn't yet perform good at, we can make sure in the future that it gets it right. So then based on the labels and what happened during the QA module, we start training the AI models created from the Meta AI module. Then we deploy them, and now they start labeling. And so based on all that, we do a form of active learning where we select the data that would give the highest theoretical gain to the quality, cost, and speed of the AI compiler and the Meta AI models. Then the final step before it completes the circle is that we do what's called data boosting, aka augmentation. So in addition to doing data selection, aka active learning, we actively, both synthetically and on real data, we generate data that's similar to the data that the AI compiler didn't yet perform good on. And so we oversample the places where the AI compiler and the Meta AI models need the most help. And then we send that back to the labeling, we label that exact data, and then the process goes on and on. And so what we've seen over all of our customers who are using real world data on real world problems, we see actually a 47% on average increase in efficiency, not only with model training, but in convergence into the ultimate quality, the steady state quality. And so this is a really exciting system, and I think Tesla for initially coming up with the idea, it's really powerful, and our customers really like it, and they can directly compare with and without the data engine, and on average, they see a big jump. So that was the data engine, and as we saw, it drastically increases the efficiency of not only data labeling, but machine learning model training. And so in the next few videos, we'll continue peeling back the onion of not only data programming, but elements of the AI compiler. And so I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.